life testimonies, and personal conversations with the Lord. Evaluation and planning of the Execom with Song of the Leaders was held in Subic last July 30 to 31 and in October at La Breza Hotel to zero in on the leaders who have committed to the Lord their willingness to continue serving. Our community celebrated a joint birthday honoring for the elder founders Tatay Bobby Rodriguez and Sister Techi Sor Rodriguez on August 6. Sor's 77th birthday marks the pinnacle of her soul's true calling. She is blessed with a greater connection with the angel 77, who will guide her towards a path that will lead to epiphanies and breakthroughs in all areas of her life. Tatay Bob's 79th year is the height of spiritual enlightenment and wisdom.
Dating dun sa exaltation, yun po yung talagang dapat ay nagpe-praise na tayo ng pinaka-peak.
Despite Sor's already full-packed calendar, she manages to squeeze in her personal coaching of leaders in the international chapters through Zoom. In the main center, she gathered the potential youth leaders and trained them for leadership and preaching and teaching. In our last SES in August, the Lord sent us more than 200 seekers in just 1 month, compared to the 306 souls in the last 7 months of the year, indicative of the rekindled spirit of members at the main center. The mission team went to Dubai again, which celebrated its 10th year anniversary with the theme 10 glorious years, the best is yet to come. A 3-day series of activities that culminated in a formal dinner party at Hyatt Hotel. Most noteworthy are the members' vibrancy as well as the New Gen and Small World's active involvement in the community activities. With mentoring was the Q&A meeting of the Small World with Lola Sor. 2 weeks after, Sor traveled again to Hong Kong on September 29 to visit the chapters and to make a year-end financial accounting. Mission for the year, the mission team was able to witness the embers that Sor and the mission team started to inflame had started to glow brighter and brighter, ready to ignite into flame. From the proclamation of the rekindling fire on the global stage of New York, it has now been heralded in the New York Grand Central Station, where the rekindling message was brought by different modes of transportation, by land, by sea, and by air to all directions, north, south, east, west of the globe. 49 souls.
Tutunit ka ng gabi.
Our annual gift giving to the poor, the marketplace, returned to the heritage as well. For the past 3 years of the pandemic, they were giving food packs to our less fortunate members. Our concluding annual Christmas rally treated us to an adventure in time travel in a Christmas musical. All ECOS in our global family participated. Indeed, it was a delightful show that everyone enjoyed. It was a fun-filled, overwhelming experience, showcasing the talents of all the Lord's flock members.
At hindi tayo po pinababayaan at palakpakan din natin ang mga nasa international. Sa Zoom, okay, malakas na palakpak para maririnig din lahat international. Well, first of all, pasalamatan natin si Lord, buhay tayong lahat. Okay, pangalawa ay tayo ay healthy, diba? At pangatlo, tayo ay hindi pinababayaan sa ating araw-araw ng pangangailangan.
Ang pagdiriwang natin ngayon ay isang hudyat sa ating kalaban, si Satanas, at ang kanyang mga kambon na hindi niya tayo kayang gibain. Tayo po ay magdiwang nawa, maligayang Pasko at manigong pinagpalang bagong taon.
Saan siya pumunta yung kasama niya? Saan pumunta yung kasama niya? Yung kasama niya? Philip? Sino yung kasama mo ba? Sino yung kasama mo sa bahay? Day off niya nga. Kaso
Pinakita pa ang libro.
nag-trip si mama. Kaya nga. Saan ka?
Christmas story. Ano nga ba ang Pasko
Lola.
sa buhay natin?
Oh.
Lola? Di. Pwede po ba magtanong, ate?
Son of the Most High.
How can this be? Since I have no relations with a man. Oo nga! How will that happen? Eh, Mary tsaka si Joseph, they're not together. Tsaka, hindi yan pwede sa amin. You should go to Christian sexuality course first. Andan kaya kayo sa Lord's Flock? Alam niyo yun, promise.
Dito ba wala kang planong pumunta? Dito sa Heritage, wala ka bang planong pumunta? Sino? Ikaw? Bakit ako minsan? Parating ka. Nung nagkambebe ka? Ay, hindi. Minsan ka lang ka naman. Anong year yun? 2008 pa yata ako.
I'm happy to see you too.
2008. Parang mga ganun nung nag-14. 2008 ako.